All right, try this one out, see what you can find. Gave you a little hint there. I'm going to solve it now. So this problem might look a little crazy, but if you were able to use the derivative tables in your book correctly, it shouldn't be too bad. The big thing to note in the book is that you have to be sure you're using either the letters shown are either representing functions or they're representing constants. So you have to look in your table to see what do you need. So for example, this problem, we have a function of x here, and this is also a function of x. Neither of these would be considered constants. So you need to look for the equation where both of them are functions of x. And I'm going to put that here. This is the one you should have used. d dx u to the v, where u and v are functions of x. Because I think they use like n and c and a few others that denote constants. But this is the one we want. It's equal to v u v minus 1 du dx plus ln u to the v dv dx. Okay? So in this case, our u is going to be equal to 3x. Our v is going to be equal to x. All I'm doing is I'm seeing this spot here correlates to that 3x. This spot here correlates to x. So v is equal to x, u is equal to 3x. So now we just plug in our problem. dx of u v is equal to, so v is going to be x, u is going to be 3x, v minus 1 is going to be x minus 1, du dx is d dx. I'm not going to actually do the derivative yet. 3x plus ln of u again, 3x, plus 3x, v is x, d dx of v, x. Okay, so now we have our problem, and it quickly becomes a pretty straightforward problem. You just start doing algebra at this point. So I'll leave that as is because I don't think we can do anything with that yet. Right? X minus 1. Derivative of 3x is going to be 3. Plus ln of 3x. Again, I don't think there's anything to be done there. 3x to the x. And derivative of x will be 1. Okay? So one thing I see is we can group this 3x and this 3 and that x. Right? uv equals 3x, x minus 1. You may see while I'm doing that already. And then I'll just put this 3x out front for no reason, just because I like to. ln of 3x. Okay, so now by our rule of exponents, we know that multiplication of like functions will translate into like addition of exponents, right? So if you have a, well, it doesn't matter, you know what I'm talking about. You can add this. This will be a plus 1. It's just a rule of exponents. So this will be 3x to the x plus 3x to the x times ln of 3x. And Now we can factor out that 3x, and I think that'll be your answer. Oh, shoot. This should say, just to be more clear, this should be 3x to the x is equal, because that's the original problem, right? 3x to the x, I'm just factoring the 3x here. 1 plus ln of 3x. There you go. That's your answer.